Finally!
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28 listening area. Rest of today, mostly cloudy, highs in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight,
It expired already. Oh my gosh.
lows in the upper 40s.
It expired already. Oh, it expired already.
Chance of rain 20%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the
The
morning.
Sage didn't relay crap.
Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight. Then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour until midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Lows in the mid 40s.
Yes.